So just so you guys are aware, we're at Yosemite National Park in Northern California. Alex and I are just on a random trip out here because that's what we do. We do random trips wherever we feel like it. We will be sightseeing, we'll be seeing mountain ranges, trails.
Maybe a couple doggos on the road.
Maybe some doggos. Oh my god, I'd be so excited if we do. But stick around, check out some cool stuff that we're gonna be seeing today. We're hopefully seeing some aminals and people being stupid. Yay! Look at you. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
You're so excited.
I'm so excited.
This is what Alex has been wanting to do for a while now. So Alex, tell me about this place that we're going.
We're going to Happy Isles, and then from there, we're going up to 2 different waterfalls that I've forgotten both of their names.
I am not a hiker. I am no type of person who likes to exercise or do anything fun.
Yes! Oh my god! I'm so hot! It's horrible! Oh, I'm going to die! I'm so tired! Everything hurts. Running is impossible.
Along those lines, because that is not fun. It is working and it's misery and I don't understand it, but you know, we're gonna make it work together.
I'll love it when we get there.
It's gonna happen. It's gonna look nice.
It's about the destination, not the journey.
Why can't it be both?
¿Por qué no las dos?
It can't be about both. Oh, there's a nice breeze. I'm gonna... What? That's stupid. It's a stupid sign. Another stupid sign.
You need to write the signs here, apparently.
I do. This is the dumbest place ever. Why? 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 Why?
Let it out! Let it out! Let it out! Why?
Rock piles. It's not a boulder. It's a rock. Oh, the pioneers used to ride these babies for miles.
It's not just a boulder. It's a rock. A rock. Oh, the pioneers used to ride these babies for miles.
You thirsty?
Always.
Oh, I could make a really bad joke right now, but I'm not going to.
There's kids watching this.
Even more of a reason to tell the joke. So Alex and I've just found out there's like a rattlesnake above us somewhere, so we're gonna go pet it. And Alex said that he wouldn't soak the poison out of me if I get bit, and I said that's okay, I'd rather just die than keep walking up this hill. So we're good, we're gonna go pet it.
This is a snack. If you're afraid of snacks, then it's a nope rope. Like if you go to the bathroom and you see this, nope rope. And if a nope rope has poisonous venom, then it's a danger noodle, like the shake snake and the cobra. Do not boop, or you will get the hurt juice.
It's all core strength right there. All that core strength. Oh, hi. Okay, let's go. I think we're in a slippery situation. Man, this is worse than LA traffic. We made it to the very top of Vernal Falls. Oh, Jesus. All right, we are finally heading downhill.
I'm wet.
I'm wet.
That's what she said.
Oh, Alex, my shoe's untied.
Randy ties a shoe and almost falls to her death.
Yay!
Oh ho ho, getting naughty, aren't we?
Hey, Alex, we're coming up on the waterfall.
So, what are you gonna do about it?
Hey! Look at all those bubbles. All right, Alex, ready to jump in? Woo! You know what, Alex?
What?
I wanna rock! Rock!
We all wanna rock!
Rock! Parkour! Hardcore parkour!
Parkour!
Alex Hudson Hackworth. Jump. Yeah, Alex, I'm really upset. I just can't bear it anymore.
Unbearable.
Oh, just don't be a little grizzly.
Oh.
Did you enjoy your porta potty party?
Squirrel.
What?
Yes, I did.
Damn it.
They can't see me.
What? What? I choose you, Pikachu. Thanks for coming out with me, Alex.
Oh, of course. It was a blast.
You want to know something, though?
Is this gonna be a pun?
No.
Am I being set up?
Maybe.
I thought this was a sentimental moment.
No, it
do I
can
wanna
still be
know?
a sentimental moment
What
if
do
it's
I
a
want to know,
pun.
Randy? What do I want to know?
You rock.
I wish I knew how to quit you.
Then why don't you?
I'm a sucker for you. Half dome.
Dome.
Dome. God, you so dome. But you're not all the way dome. You're only half dome. Ha! Okay guys, this is the end of our day. We just got back from Yosemite and now we're having a nice dinner out on River's Edge, and we're so tired. We're warm, tired, and ready to go to bed. So we got up so early today, but thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow to my channel. Have an awesome weekend and love you, mean it, bye!